It's a National Disability Month. The month of November is characterized by National Disability Month. Ngicela ukuthi ungenzele kanje wena. Make sure ukuthi you watch the videos that I'm going to link down on this video below, where I was talking to people who are living with physical challenges. Let us watch those videos. Let us support the work that is done for people who've got physical challenges. Let us support them in general. And today, I challenge you, Uguti, whatever you do, just go and learn just one thing about people with physical challenges. Let us make South Africa a better place to live on. And finally, if you've got ingane nama special needs, ingane nama physical challenges, please do not hide them. Please do not beat them. And ningabancinje imali yabo impatient, because that money is meant ukuthi inakekele idingo zabo. So with me, ngicela ukuthi challenge wena, do something nice for somebody who is living with a physical disability today. And while we're still on that, let me shine a spotlight on this beautiful couple. The girl is living with disability, but the guy is not living with disability, and they've got a beautiful relationship. I also done another video here, another podcast here, where I was talking to Usne. Usne is living with a disability.